Good morning, students. Welcome back to Social Science class. Today, we will discuss Chapter 12 India and its Neighbors, Part 1. Hope you all are keeping well at home. Chapter in detail. First one, introduction. In the introductory part, I will give you the details of India, and the second part, what is hemisphere, what is latitude and longitude. Latitude and longitude we will discuss detail in another chapter, and details about 8 neighboring countries. What are the different 8 countries? First one, Pakistan. We will discuss each one in detail. China, Nepal, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Bhutan, and Myanmar. Students, now we are moving to introductory part. India, our country. All of you look at the map. It is the second largest country in Asia. There are 48 countries in Asian continent. Out of these, India is the second largest country. India covers an area of 87,263 square kilometers. The distance of our country is 87,263 square kilometer. Students, in our country, India, there are 28 states and 8 union territories are there. We are living in Uttar Pradesh. The distance of our country starting from the snow-covered Himalayan heights or mountains to the tropical rainforests of the south. That means from the Himalayan mountains or Himachal Pradesh to the south, India, like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, the kilometer is extended up to there. Dear students, we can see in Himalayas, it is fully covered with snow, and in South India we can see majority areas is covered with forest, tropical rainforest. India stands apart from the rest of Asia. Do you think about why India stands apart from the rest of Asia? It means when we compared with other countries in Asia, our country India, we can see there are coastal sides, mountains, forests, streams, like variety of God blessings. The north side of India, we can see Himachal Pradesh, now Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh also. It stretches southwards and the Tropic of Cancer reduces in thickness towards one end into the Indian Ocean between the Bay of Bengal on the east and the Arabian Sea on the west. Dear students, we can see the south side of India. Indian Ocean. Look at the map. On the east side, we can see Bay of Bengal, and also the same side, the west side of our country, we can see Arabian Sea. Now we can move to text reference. Thank you all and good luck for you.